let's also talk about how the opposition now taking advantage of this moment is also in a way taking on the BJP. Now, BJP being the ally partner of the JDS in Karnataka, here are the opposition parties who are raising questions on BJP's silence on the issue. As far as the sex scandal allegations that have been raised on the JDS and its MP, India Bloc is now upping the ante on the JDS MP Prajwal Revanna, with the Sena faction. Uddhav Thackeray has now been demanding action on Prajwal and saying that his candidature needs to be cancelled, and the BJP rather should now raise their voice, including union ministers as well and the women minister, why they are keeping us silent on this issue. Let me go across to Imran and Aditi, both joining us live right now. Aditi, if you can take us through the post that has been done by Priyanka Chaturvedi.
Well, rightly, Amita, the opposition is doubling down the attack on the JDS as well as BJP over the sex scandal. And over here, we have Priyanka Chaturvedi reacting. She says, UBT MP says Prajwal's candidature needs to be cancelled and elections to be held afresh for his constituency. He needs to be brought back from Germany to face law. That will be part of the justice for these women. Will Election Commission of India do the needful? Will NCW stand up for the ones towards greater justice, gender justice? Will BJP, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah stand up for the women who have been exploited by someone who is their ally and they continue to support with their silence? Or is this only about winning elections at all costs?
All right. Thank you, Aditi, for that update. Imran is also with us right now. Imran, so taking on the JDS, yes, but taking on the BJP as well. What is the India Bloc doing now? We are told that Congress party will also be planning a protest later in the day today.
Well, absolutely. At Hassan, where the Prajwal Revanna hails from, the Congress party, along with many civil society organizations, are planning for a protest demanding action and arrest of the accused. Meanwhile, the Congress party also has stepped up pressure over the BJP and especially their ally JDS. In fact, Randeep Singh Surjewala, speaking yesterday, asked the Prime Minister to speak on this issue and directed Amit Shah and also Smriti Irani to speak on this issue, saying that Nari Shakti was their one of their slogans, and why is that the BJP shying away from taking action against their own ally, who is they should even DK Shimar went a step ahead, just asking question whether they should think about they should ally with somebody like Prajwal Revanna, whose alleged sex scandal has led to furore among the people. There are close to around sources inform that 1,000 to 1,200 videos of him in a sexual activity, and some women have come forward and complained that there is a sexual harassment and even including rape. There is an FIR registered against Prajwal Revanna and his father HD Revanna at Bale Narsapur Hassan police station, which now has been forwarded to the
मांग करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। अगर विपक्षी दलों के बारे में बात की जाए, वहीं पर कांग्रेस सरकार की तरफ से एक 3 सदस्यीय जो SIT है उसका गठन कर दिया गया है इस पूरे मामले की छानबीन करने